Are you ready to style the biggest trend for fall? Then keep watching. Hello everyone, it's me Serena. Thank you so much for joining me today. Yes, I know you've seen it, you've heard all about it. The biggest trend for fall 2024, now that we're getting back into our jeans after a long hot summer, and that is wide leg denim. And I know I've received a lot of comments about wide leg denim. A lot of people don't like it or push back against it or think they can't wear it. But it is a very easy, comfortable style of denim to wear. And so today I'm showing you some real life ways that you can style wide leg denim and some little tips on how you can pick the best pair for you. As always, I will have everything shown in today's video linked down in the description, as well as the YouTube links that pop up on screen during the video. Now let's get started. So the most important thing when you're selecting a pair of wide leg jeans is proportion. If you're petite like me, then you maybe don't want to choose a leg that's quite so wide. And everything I'm showing you today is petite friendly, but it would also work for you tall gals too. And the first outfit I'm showing you is actually a pair of petite jeans. These are from Chico's, and they are the high-rise wide leg jean. I'm wearing these in a size 0 petite. Now that's Chico's sizing, so it's the equivalent of a 4 petite. And I am one of those people who is a little bit hard to fit with pants and jeans, because even though I'm petite at 5'2", I have a very short torso and my inseam is rather long. I have a 30-inch inseam. So I'm right on the cusp of, do I wear petite or do I wear regular length? And usually regular length works better for me, even if I have to have it hemmed just a little bit. And these are petite, and as you can see, they work with sneakers. So if you want a pair of wide leg jeans to work with sneakers, then you might go with a petite pair, especially if you are petite. But as you can see how these hit on me, they would be too short if I put these on with a heel, but they're fine to wear with sneakers. So I paired these with a fitted tank underneath, and that's another tip for finding outfits with your wide leg jeans. You don't want to wear something big and baggy on top. Think about keeping what you're wearing on top more fitted. And then as for a jacket, opt for a more cropped jacket like this green one. This is actually from Walmart. It is from Free Assembly. It's a very nice cotton twilled jacket, perfect for fall transitional weather. And my shoes are from Loft. I will link these or something similar if they are sold out. But this is just a really cute fall outfit. You can incorporate your wide leg jeans so you look very much on trend and hip and like you know what's going on in the world. I don't want to say younger, because it's not about looking younger, it's about looking fresh and current. So by incorporating these trends, you can look fresh and current no matter what your age. Now this bag I'm carrying, it is from Amazon, and it is by The Drop, which is one of Amazon's house brands. And I just love this tote bag because it's faux leather, but it's a really nice quality faux leather. It has this grommet or rivet detail down the sides, which is also very much on trend for this fall. And you can carry it in the crook of your arm, by your hand, or on your shoulder if it'll fit up over your arm. And it also comes with a longer strap, so you could put a long strap on this and wear it on your shoulder. I think it's too big to wear crossbody. That's my opinion, but I suppose you could. But it's just a nice size tote bag for fall. Let's see what's next. So who says your wide leg denim has to be blue? How about these kind of ecru color wide leg crops? These are also from Chico's, and they are the high-rise wide leg crop. And instead of a 0 petite like the jeans were in, these are in a size 00 regular. And this is a case where maybe I should have gotten the petite because these are barely cropped on me. They are right above my ankle bone, but maybe after I wash them, they'll shrink a little bit. If not, I could hem them to bring them up and make them look more cropped. And now these you don't have to wear with sandals. Of course, I am here. I just put this together for a warmer day outfit. This tank is from Z Supply, and since it's trimmed in this whip stitch in kind of this tan color, I think it goes nicely with the Ecru jeans and the sandals. But a little bit later on, you can top this off with a jacket when it gets cool. This jacket is kind of similar to the jeans. It's not the exact color, but it goes together. And the jacket is cut from the cloth, and it's a little bit different from your typical denim jacket. It doesn't have that trucker jacket style, so it's something a little bit different, maybe a little bit more elevated than just your regular old jean jacket. And the shoes I'm wearing are from Sam Edelman. These are the Prague sandals. They are from a few years ago. I did find them still linked on Nordstrom Rack, but I don't know about sizes or colors. So whatever's left is what's left because these are not a current year sandal. But I'll link another Sam Edelman sandal as well. So a lot of the comments that I get about wide leg jeans are, oh, I can't wear those. I'm too short. They make me look short and squatty. They make me look too wide. Well, I am myth busting those myths with this outfit. The key is get a pair of wide leg jeans that is full length and wear a little bit of a heel with them, and a pointy toe or kind of pointy toe boot or bootie, and your legs will look a mile long. The other good thing about wide leg jeans is most of them are more generous in the hip and thigh area. So if you have a big booty, thick thighs, wide through the hips, the wide leg jean is going to skim over that and give you extra room. And then instead of going back in like this, like a pair of skinny jeans that gives you that ice cream cone effect, they're just gonna go down. So nobody's really gonna see, you know, the contrast between your hips up here and your ankles down here. That's what skinny leg jeans do if you have big booty and wide hips. So you are definitely someone who could benefit from wide leg jeans if that is your body shape type. And here I am wearing a pair of wide leg jeans from Ecru. These are called the low-rise trouser jean. Well, first of all, they are not low-rise. I guess they're just low-rise in comparison to the ultra super rib cage high-rise that we have seen over the last several years. These still come up and cover my belly button, but they're much more comfortable on me than the typical high-rise jean. And they just have kind of a gradual straight leg that goes down. It's not anything obnoxious, and they fit like a dream. I love these. They do run large. I'm wearing these in a size 26 regular, which is the equivalent of a size 2. So you might want to size down when you're ordering if you choose these. And first I chose these in the petite length, and they came, and once again, for me, they were too short for me to wear with any kind of a heel. I would have had to have worn flats or sneakers with them all the time. And I wanted a pair that I could wear with boots like this. So I paired this blouse. This is from Scoop. So it's from Walmart, very affordable, just dressing it up a little bit. So maybe on casual Friday, or if you're business casual, you could wear this to work with these jeans and some nice boots and a nice bag. I hope this shows you how wide leg jeans can make your legs look a mile long. If you're enjoying today's video, do me a favor, give me a thumbs up. That way I know to create more content like this. And while you're at it, hit the subscribe button and notification bell. That way you won't miss out on any new content I post here on YouTube. I usually post 2 videos on YouTube every week, 2 long-form videos. And I usually post those on Sunday and then sometime in the middle of the week, Wednesday or Thursday. So be sure to look for me then. And if you want to see more daily content from me, be sure to download that LTK app and follow me there. That's where I post everything first before I have a chance to produce a YouTube video and get it out to you. So if you are frustrated by things selling out, then you definitely want to follow me on the Like to Know It app, or LTK app, so you can see things first. And I share those things over to Instagram and Facebook pretty much on a daily basis, as well as other things like collages with outfit ideas and things like that. And I'm also on Pinterest. So I'm Style with Serena everywhere. So be sure to check me out on those platforms as well. Okay, next I kept on these Ecru jeans, and I'm wearing what I feel like is the perfect sweater to wear with a wide leg. You want something that is a little bit more fitted. You want something that isn't oversized and too voluminous, because you want to balance out the volume in the pants. And this sweater happens to be from Ecru, but you could find one similar to this. You may have one in your closet, but this is called the Shrunken Cashmere Sweater. And it's shrunken because the length is short, and it fits me perfectly because I am short-waisted. But on someone who has a long torso, this might be a little bit short. But what I like about it is just the proportions of the sweater. It's not oversized, it's not baggy. You've got a little bit of room, in the sleeves. I pushed them up, and I like a nice V-neck. It helps elongate you, especially when you're petite. And someone like me who has a big bust and a round face, V-necks are the way to go. This sweater comes in a variety of different colors, but I love this color blue, and I think it goes nicely with these jeans for sort of a monochrome outfit. And just tying it together, again, I've got the same cognac color boots on. I couldn't find a cognac color purse in my possession that I really liked with this outfit, which is amazing considering how many purses I have. But I put on this one. This is a Tory Burch that I picked up recently, and it's kind of in this mushroomy taupe color, which would really go with anything for fall. So, am I changing your mind about wide leg jeans and pants at all? Be sure to let me know down in the comment section. So I decided to share something wide leg that isn't jeans or pants, and just to show you how versatile that this leg silhouette can be. And that is this 2-piece set from Spanx. Well, it's not a 2-piece set. They're sold separately, but they match. How about that? And that is this 1/4 zip, or maybe this is the 1/2 zip pullover, and the wide leg pants. This is both in the Air Essentials fabric that you guys know I love. It is so airy and pillowy, soft and light, and just, oh, it's like a hug. But it's not thick, and it doesn't overheat you. It's just a wonderful fabric, especially for travel. So if you're going somewhere on a plane and you know how it can always be chilly, this would be a great thing to wear. You can wear this top by itself, or you can layer it over a tank top or t-shirt. And then that way, if you get warm, you can just take this layer off and have your t-shirt on. But anyway, these pants are so comfortable. I'm wearing a small in both pieces, and the pants are a small petite, because with Spanx, I always get petite because I don't know what they're doing over there at Spanx, but their pants and jeans and leisure pants, leggings, everything are apparently made for somebody 6 feet tall. Their pants run so long. I have to have a petite in anything from Spanx if it's a bottom. So these are the petite, and they are fine, you know, to wear with sneakers. I could even wear this with sandals, but these are so comfortable, so light, pillowy, soft. I love them. And I do have a discount link down in the description box for Spanx. You do have to sign up and give them your email to get the discount, but it's 15%. So if you've never ordered anything from Spanx and they don't already have your email, you can go through my link, give them your email, and you'll get 15% off your purchase, which is a pretty good deal. Thank you all so much for joining me today. Be sure to let me know what you think about the wide leg trend and if you will be embracing it this fall. Thanks for watching, and until I see you in my next video, have a stylish day. Bye.